Climate change isn't a distant forecast. It's the reality of now, written in melting glaciers and raging megafires. While Earth's climate has always changed, the speed of today's shift is unprecedented. This story is told not through predictions, but through hard data. How do we know? Scientists are like planetary detectives. They drill into Antarctic ice, pulling up cores holding bubbles of ancient air from 800,000 years ago, revealing today's CO2 levels are the highest in human history. They use over a century of temperature records, confirming the last decade was the hottest recorded. From space, satellites watch our polar ice cap shrink and sea levels rise 3.5 millimeters every single year. This warming creates global ripples. Hotter air acts like a giant sponge, soaking up more water for more intense floods, while also drying out land for harsher droughts. Our oceans are rising for two reasons: melting glaciers and a simple law of physics called thermal expansion. Warm water takes up more space than cold water. This expansion alone pushes sea levels higher, threatening coastal cities worldwide. The most alarming part? Feedback loops, or tipping points. Consider the albedo effect. Bright white ice reflects sunlight. As it melts, it reveals dark ocean water which absorbs heat, melting even more ice. The process speeds itself up. A similar time bomb is ticking in the permafrost, which releases massive amounts of trapped methane as it thaws. Over 99% of scientists agree on the human cause. This isn't about one cold day, that's weather. Climate is the long-term pattern. We have the technology to solve this. The real test is global cooperation.